Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Vaibhav Kulsresht and this is the answer writing series for Geography GS. In this series, this is the third question which was asked in 2023 mains GS paper 1. So question is, how are the fjord formed? Why do they constitute some of the most picturesque areas of the world? So this question is from geomorphology, landform. This is a landform which is made by glacier. So first of all, we will form a format. So there are three parts. First is introduction, second is main body, and the last is conclusion. सो थीम जो भी हमारे क्वेश्चन का है वो हम इंट्रोडक्शन में लिखेंगे. सो थीम ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज fjord. सो व्हाट इज fjord? वी विल गिव द डेफिनेशन in introduction, then come to main body part, and first question is, how are the fjord formed? It means in first part of the main body we will write about formation of fjord. Then in second part, why fjords are picturesque. Why these are so beautiful. तो हम इसको आगे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे और इसी से लास्ट पॉइंट में हम थोड़ा सा कल्चरल पॉइंट को देके कंक्लूड कर देंगे. सो दिस वुड बी द आंसर फॉर्मेट फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. सो इन इंट्रोडक्शन वी विल टेल अबाउट fjord. Fjords are long, narrow inlets with steep sides or cliffs created by glacial activity. आप आगे ये भी लिख सकते हो, these are erosional landforms. These are erosional landforms. So this is the introduction. Now come to main body part. Formation of fjord. First, glacial erosion. During ice ages, large glaciers formed and advanced over the landscape. As these glaciers moved, they exerted immense pressure and scoured the earth beneath them, carving out deep valleys. It means abrasion would be there. Abrasion. Second, V-shaped valley to U-shaped valley. Initially, rivers would have formed V-shaped valley. Then glacier will follow these V-shaped valley because glacier का size बहुत बड़ा है. That is why glacier will widen and deepen these V-shaped valley into U-shaped troughs due to their erosive power. Then third, post-glacial sea level rise. After glacier melt, the sea level will rise and filling these deep valleys with seawater. This process left behind the characteristic deep, steep-walled fjord will form. So this is the formation of fjord. Now, next part is why fjords are so picturesque. So first is dramatic landscape. क्यों है? Fjords are considered some of the most picturesque areas in the world due to several factors. और उसमें पहला factor क्या है? Steep, towering cliff, deep water create a dramatic and awe-inspiring landscape. The contrast between vertical rock faces and horizontal expanse of water is visually striking. बहुत ही खूबसूरत होता है. Pristine nature. Many fjord regions are relatively remote and less affected by human activity. That is why वहाँ पर pollution कम है. Natural beauty, clear water, and often lush vegetation contribute to their appeal. Third, glacial features. Features like hanging valleys, waterfalls, rugged peak, a remnant of glacial activity added to the scenic beauty. It means it will enhance the beauty of the landscape. Second, the interplay of light and shadow. On these features can create a stunning visual effect. Next, wildlife. Fjords are often rich in marine and terrestrial wildlife because एक तरफ क्या है, this is fjord, बेसिकली इधर साइड में क्या होगा, लैंड, दिस इज fjord, और इधर साइड में सी है. इट मींस इन दिस एरिया आपको कुछ ऐसे एनिमल मिलेंगे जो ओशनिक वाटर मींस सलाइन वाटर और फ्रेश वाटर दोनों में उनकी लाइफ हो सकती है. सो इट इज वेरी रिच इन मरीन एंड टेरेस्ट्रियल वाइल्ड लाइफ. Sighting of seals, whales, sea birds, and other wildlife add to charm and allures of these regions. Fifth, cultural and historical significance. इसी पॉइंट से हम इसी पॉइंट को हम कंक्लूजन भी मान लेंगे. So many fjords have been historically significant for the communities living around them. जो वहाँ की कम्युनिटीज हैं, नॉर्वे, स्वीडन, स्कॉटलैंड, ग्रीनलैंड, जो भी कम्युनिटीज हैं उनका कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा उनका कल्चरल एस्पेक्ट भी आ जाता है. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन जो हमने आज इसको सॉल्व किया है. कंक्लूजन इसमें कहीं कुछ है नहीं. सो दैट इज ऑल फॉर टुडे. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन और कमेंट्स देन यू कैन राइट इट बिलो. मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल Vavakul Shrestha for more great educational content. See you next time. Thank you.